As a homeowner who's always been concerned about water quality, I recently decided to take the plunge and invest in an Aquasana whole house water filtration system. After extensive research and reading countless reviews, I settled on the Aquasana EQ 1000 whole house water filter system. Now, after several months of use, I'm excited to share my personal experience with this product. Initial impressions and installation. When the system arrived, I was immediately impressed by the quality of the components. The brass fittings and sturdy construction gave me confidence that this was a well-built product designed to last. However, I'll admit I was a bit intimidated by the size and complexity of the system at first. While Aquasana offers professional installation, I decided to tackle it myself with the help of a handy friend. The installation process took us about half a day, which wasn't too bad considering neither of us are professional plumbers. The instructions were clear, and we only ran into a couple of minor hiccups along the way. For those less DIY inclined, I'd recommend opting for professional installation to ensure everything is set up correctly and to take advantage of the full 10-year warranty. Performance and water quality. Once installed, I was eager to test out the system and see if I could notice a difference in our water quality. I'm happy to report that the improvement was almost immediate and quite dramatic. The first thing I noticed was the disappearance of the slight chlorine smell that used to emanate from our tap water. Taking a shower felt different too. The water seemed softer on my skin, and I no longer had that dry, itchy feeling afterward. The Aquasana EQ 1000 uses a 4-stage filtration process that combines carbon filtration, KDF, kinetic degradation fluxion, media, and a salt-free water conditioner. This comprehensive approach tackles a wide range of contaminants, including chlorine, heavy metals, pesticides, and more. While I haven't had my water professionally tested yet, the noticeable improvements in taste, smell, and feel have convinced me that the system is doing its job effectively. One of the features I particularly appreciate is the salt-free water conditioning. Unlike traditional water softeners that use salt, this system prevents scale buildup without adding sodium to our water. It's better for our health and the environment, and I don't have to worry about lugging heavy bags of salt around anymore. Flow rate and pressure. Before installing the system, I was concerned about potential impacts on our water pressure. With a flow rate of 7 gallons per minute, the Aquasana EQ 1000 isn't the fastest system on the market. However, I found that it's more than adequate for our family of 4. We can run multiple showers, the dishwasher, and the washing machine simultaneously without any noticeable drop in pressure. That said, if you have a larger household or particularly high water demands, you might want to consider a system with a higher flow rate. It's always a good idea to assess your specific needs before making a purchase. Maintenance and ongoing costs. One of the selling points of the Aquasana system for me was its low maintenance requirements and cost-effective operation. The main filter cartridges are designed to last for up to 1 million gallons or about 10 years for the average family. This long lifespan means less frequent replacements and lower ongoing costs compared to some other systems. The pre-filter, which catches larger sediment particles, does need to be changed more frequently, about every 3 months in my experience. However, this is a simple process that I can easily do myself in just a few minutes. While the initial cost of the system was significant, I see it as a long-term investment in our health and home. When I factor in the money we're saving on bottled water and the potential long-term benefits of using cleaner water throughout our house, I believe it's well worth the price. Customer support and warranty. I've had a couple of occasions to contact Aquasana's customer support team with questions, and I've been impressed with their responsiveness and knowledge. They were patient in explaining some of the more technical aspects of the system and provided helpful tips for optimizing its performance. The 10-year warranty, with professional installation, provides peace of mind, knowing that we're covered if any issues arise. Just be aware that if you choose to install the system yourself, as I did, the warranty is reduced to 5 years. Environmental impact. As someone who tries to be environmentally conscious, I appreciate that the Aquasana system has helped us significantly reduce our use of plastic water bottles. We used to go through several cases of bottled water each month, but now we're happy to drink straight from the tap. It's a small change, but it feels good to know we're reducing our plastic waste. Room for improvement. While my overall experience with the Aquasana EQ1000 has been very positive, there are a few areas where I think there's room for improvement. The system is quite large, so it requires a significant amount of space. This wasn't an issue for us, but it could be challenging for homes with limited space near the main water line. Additionally, while the flow rate is adequate for our needs, I could see it being a limitation for larger households or those with high simultaneous water usage. A higher flow rate option would be a welcome addition to the product line. Lastly, while the system is generally low maintenance, I do find myself wishing for some sort of automated alert system to remind me when it's time to change the pre-filter. It's a minor inconvenience, but an app or indicator light would be a nice touch. So, should you buy it? After living with the Aquasana EQ1000 whole house water filter system for several months, I can confidently say it has made a significant positive impact on our daily lives. The improvement in water quality is noticeable in everything from the taste of our drinking water to the feel of our showers. While the initial investment was substantial, the long-term benefits and peace of mind make it worthwhile in my opinion. Is it perfect? No, but it's pretty close for our needs. If you're in the market for a whole house water filtration system, I would definitely recommend giving the Aquasana EQ1000 serious consideration. Just be sure to carefully assess your specific water quality issues, household size, and space constraints to ensure it's the right fit for your home. Remember, clean water is not just about taste, it's about the health and well-being of your family and the longevity of your home's plumbing and appliances. For us, the Aquasana system has been a game changer, and I'm looking forward to years of clean, great-tasting water ahead.